So here with Festus and our friend Caroline. Right guys, this is completely mad. This country is like nowhere on earth. It's 10 PM at night. It's daylight. And it stays like this the whole day. And I was talking with Festus, so I was saying like, but it doesn't make sense because surely like, we have day and night because the earth turns away from the sun. If any of you know the reason, please put it in the comments because this is mad, completely mad. Prime Minister's office. Right guys, just behind me is the Prime Minister of Iceland's house. He actually lives there, and as you can see, there's like no security. It's very easy just to kind of go down there. And yeah, someone told me you could literally just walk down there, ask him for a cup of tea. Okay, I met Christian about a week ago.
Hi everybody.
Sorry, by the way, there's lots of flies. Lots of flies.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy. But yeah, we met about a week ago, and then saw him last night in the hostel. And then this morning we woke up and he said, "I got the car till 5, so I was like, yeah, let's do something."
Yeah.
So really spontaneous. But yeah, we're just deciding where to go.
Ulti.
That almost sounds like a German name.
Oh, okay.
Heinzenfeld. Hveragerði.
Engelsvedi.
Yeah. Quite a view, isn't it?
Yeah, great. Great view.
So much nature, so many good views in Iceland. You know, I'm so happy we're doing this today because I've been in Reykjavik for 3 weeks. I had to get out.
It changes.
I had to get out and see the nature. What would you say this smells like? It's hard to describe.
Hard to describe. I think it's sulfur, no? But why? It's really strong. It doesn't smell so well. You see the people like here.
Yeah. They don't like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it is quite bad, you know. It smells like a really bad fart, to be honest. Oh, that's horrible. I've never seen anything quite like this. Is purely natural, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Nothing man-made to make this happen like this.
And it's 100 degrees.
Yo, when we were filming, do you know when we were filming before? I didn't feel comfortable filming because this woman, I just saw a naked woman when I first got here. But after a while I was like, no, most people actually have swimming costumes on and stuff. But yeah, that was, how did you like that?
Yeah, I liked it a lot. Yeah. But it was a little bit like the other lagoons the last days. Secret Lagoon is also, should go there, Secret Lagoon.
Yeah, I'll try and get there.
Ja, blod.
Was it hot? Was it hot?
He
You
burned
did?
his feet last time he was in Iceland, so we don't need it another time, yeah?
But like, all joking aside, like, could you actually die if you went in that, do you think?
I think you can, because your skin gets burnt.
Right.
And if you lose too much of your skin, it's an organ.
Yeah.
It will be depending on the amount of the burning of the skin.
Right.
It's fatal because they can't repair it. And besides that, it's not so comfortable.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. You gotta be very careful when you come to Iceland. Don't go in these things because you can die. I heard it from an expert. Yeah, we got so lucky. It just started raining just as soon as we got back, and we're protected by the metal.
Yeah, but it rains a lot here in Iceland.
Yeah, but literally, like, we missed the whole rain, and then it just started as soon as when we got here. I like that. That's God's favour.
It was great that we were.
Do you have any idea what this white building is?
It's, maybe for the energy of the sources, like for the smoke. I don't.
Don't forget to press subscribe, hit the notification button, all that. I'm going to put the boxes. Check out other music, check out Jay, check out Maurice, check out Saeed's podcast. Peace.